Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer wellness programs with Aetna, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, start by gathering all necessary information regarding your current wellness program. Ensure you have your Aetna member ID handy. Visit the Aetna website and log in to your member account. Once logged in, navigate to the Wellness Programs section. Review the available wellness programs to understand your options. Identify the specific program you wish to transfer. Take note of any eligibility requirements for the new program. Contact Aetna customer service if you have any questions about the transfer process. Gather any required documentation related to your current wellness program. Fill out any necessary forms for the program transfer. Submit the completed forms through the Aetna member website. Alternatively, you can fax or mail them if you prefer. Await confirmation of your program transfer from Aetna. Once confirmed, review the details of your new wellness program. Engage with any resources or support offered by Aetna for your new program. Stay proactive by monitoring your progress in the new wellness program. Reach out to Aetna for additional assistance as needed during the transition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.